Dear manufacturers, it's important to note that BIS certification has become mandatory for electric ceiling type fans and air conditioners. Today, we'll explore the key aspects surrounding this requirement, the list of mandatory products, the effective date, product specifications, and how MindSync can assist you in this process. Welcome to MindSync, your compliance guard. I'm Baston Benny, and you're watching MindSync's BIS series. MindSync is a professional organization providing compliance, consulting, and advisory services. Let's first examine the list of mandatory products. Electric ceiling type fans, household and similar electrical appliances, safety, particular requirements for fans. For air conditioners, the mandatory products include Unitary Air Conditioners, Split Air Conditioners, Ducted and Package Air Conditioners, Fin-type Heat Exchanger for Room Air Conditioner, Hermetic Compressor. Additionally, it's important to understand that BIS certification also applies to products such as evaporative air coolers and air filters for general ventilation. Next, let's discuss the effective date. As of now, this requirement is already in effect. This means that in order to sell, manufacture, distribute, or import these essential products, BIS certification is essential. Non-compliance will result in penalties that could significantly impact your business operations. Now, let's dive into the product specifications. Firstly, let's focus on the standard for electric ceiling type fans. This standard covers the performance requirements for single-phase 50 Hz AC ceiling fans driven by squirrel cage induction motors, capacitor type, and brushless DC motor fans. These are intended for household and similar purposes, operating at voltages up to and including 250 volts. When it comes to speed regulators, both manual and remote-controlled regulators must be capable of reducing the fan speed by at least 50% of the full speed at the specified voltage and frequency. Additionally, fans should be able to run continuously on any of the regulator's contacts at the rated voltage or within the whole rated voltage range. Moving on to the standard for household and similar electrical appliances, safety, particular requirements for fans. This standard addresses the safety of electric fans for household and similar purposes, with rated voltages not exceeding 250 volts for single-phase appliances and 480 volts for other appliances. It also includes separate controls, regulators, supplied with fans. It's important to note that even fans not intended for normal household use but could pose a danger to the public, such as those used in shops or light industry, fall under the standard scope. Next, let's discuss the standards for room air conditioners, unitary air conditioners. This standard specifies safety and performance requirements for single-phase non-ducted unitary air conditioners and heat pumps, up to a rated capacity of 10,500 watts and rated voltage not exceeding 250 volts. It covers various configurations, refrigeration circuits, and test methods, excluding certain types like water source heat pumps or portable air conditioners. Similarly, for room air conditioners, split air conditioners, this standard outlines safety and performance requirements for single or three-phase non-ducted split air conditioners and heat pumps, up to a rated capacity of 18,000 watts and rated voltage up to 250 volts for single-phase and up to 415 volts for three-phase power supply. It's important to note exclusions such as water-cooled units or systems with absorption refrigeration cycles. Moving forward, the standard for ducted and package air conditioners. This standard covers performance testing, conditions, and methods for determining the capacity and efficiency ratings of air-cooled air conditioners and heat pumps, including unitary and split ducted air conditioners with various capacities and configurations. Lastly, let's touch upon the standard for fin-type heat exchanger for room air conditioners. This standard specifies general requirements and testing methods for fin-type heat exchangers used in manufacturing air conditioners. Heat exchangers can be classified based on construction methods such as fin pack with collar and tube type or microchannel tube with continuous fin type. And finally, the standard for hermetic compressors. This standard deals with safety and performance requirements of hermetic seal type standalone motor compressors for vapor compressor cycle applications. These compressors, suitable for low, medium, and high temperature applications, are intended for use in household, industrial, and commercial equipment. These standards ensure the safety, performance, and reliability of the products, thereby safeguarding consumers and facilitating smoother market operations. Now, you might be wondering, how can MindSync assist me in this process? Well, here's the answer. At MindSync, we understand that navigating the certification process can be complex and time-consuming. That's where we come in. We're here to support you throughout the entire certification journey, ensuring a smooth and efficient process. Our team is well versed in the intricacies of BIS certification, and we're committed to making the process hassle-free for you. Partnering with MindSync means you have a dedicated ally, guiding you from documentation to the final grant of certification. We prioritize your success and adherence to quality standards. So, if you are looking for a reliable partner to streamline your BIS certification journey, look no further than MindSync.